Okay, zucchini and squash. We could do it several ways. We could spiralize it, do a lot of things with it. What we're gonna do is we're going to bake it and basically cut it up, chop it up, parchment paper down. And I usually do, I guess it might just be me, but I like to do the squash and then the zucchini, like a little more zucchini than squash. Might be a color thing, I don't know. But basically, cut the ends off. Down the middle. Flat on both sides now. And then just kind of do even cuts right there. You don't want to go too thin, you don't want to go too thick, so some olive oil. A little bit of salt. Pepper. Onion powder. And garlic powder.
Is that together?
Okay, this is a zucchini at 400 for about 9 minutes. I checked it at about 7 minutes, stirred it around a little bit, and went for another about 2.5 or so minutes. But I like it like this. It's starting to brown just a little bit, but still crunchy, not too soft. You're gonna have several servings out of this right here. So 400, about 9 minutes, stirred at about 6 or 7 minutes.